We've had three conventional ways to treat cancer over the last several decades: surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. And utilizing those treatments, we can in fact cure half of everyone who develops cancer. But the half that cannot be cured with available treatments represented 600,000 deaths in the United States alone last year. We desperately need new treatments. We had developed treatments using what we call adoptive cell transfer. It's a living treatment. We take a patient's own cells that can react against the cancer, or cells that we can genetically modify to improve their ability to recognize a cancer, grow them outside the body in the laboratory. Cancer has to be highly personalized in the development of treatments, and this is about as highly personalized as you can get. We're using a patient's own cells to target antigens on their cancer, and that can result in long-term elimination of the cancer and very possibly cure many patients. These lymphocytes are living cells. They expand 1,000-fold inside the body when they recognize their targets. The technology transfer office has been vital to our ability to move from the laboratory into widespread clinical application.
I was very excited to see all these different disciplines of science, immunology, virology, molecular biology, all used together to create and design this new engineered T-cell as a treatment. Our technology transfer office was very active right from the get-go in reviewing the invention initially, in setting up a confidentiality agreement to be able to discuss with our kite industry partner all the details of the science, and then setting up a lot of follow-up agreements to allow for the technology to be transferred from NCI to kite.
Kite founder was a former fellow in NCI Surgery Branch. He knew the science. He knew what its potential was, and he was willing to build a team that could bring that to the market.
When we innovate and find treatments that can work, we depend on commercial companies to extend the ability to receive this treatment to very large numbers of patients, and the technology transfer office is vital in our ability to do that.
Cell therapy is a unique platform that is individually made for each patient, and it heavily relies on complex manufacturing process and supply chain infrastructure to successfully do it at scale and reach thousands of patients. I'm proud to say that after NIH's initial CAR-T research, that Kite was a true pioneer in bringing together all of the pieces. This included developing a multi-center clinical trial that led to FDA's approval, as well as creating best-in-class manufacturing process with speed and reliability. Due to this commitment and significant investment, we've been able to help thousands of patients with certain types of blood cancers.
Over 6,800 patients have been treated successfully. And you look back and say, patient one was treated in summer of 2009, and here we are just a few years later, 6,800 patients worldwide have benefited from this drug.